An innocent employee put under the gun by a ruthless robber. This violent crime spree is why folks in Ramsey County got alerts on their phones this weekend. Police quickly caught two of those convenience store crooks.
They didn't find the accused gunman, though, until today. Our Reg Chapman was there.
A tip from a family member led investigators to this home on Main Street in Centerville, a quiet lakeside community. That's where they found the man who had been on the run for days.
Apprehended the third suspect involved in the string of robberies that took place on Sunday.
The 21-year-old suspect was located inside his parents' home. More than half a dozen police cars were on scene to help take him into custody and search their home for any evidence connected to a string of robberies in the North Metro.
A gun detection dog to sniff out to help us locate evidence in the house.
Investigators say these robberies were violent.
Very violent, very violent.
Footage from surveillance cameras inside one of the gas stations showed one of the suspects jumped over the counter and pressed a gun to the head of the clerk.
The suspect that was arrested here was the one seen in the photos with the handgun to the clerk's head.
During another robbery, an employee was assaulted. Cash and merchandise is what the trio were after.
Since the robberies, our whole department has been working night and day to ID and to locate the individuals responsible.
Investigators were able to track the first two suspects down quickly. A plea to the public for help today led to a family member calling police telling them where they should look. Now all three are in custody. With photojournalist Chris Cruz, Reg Chapman, WCCO News.